Trade fairs stand for networking and personal exchange. As part of the digital trade fair, you have the opportunity to network with all visitors and all exhibitors in the most efficient way. Our Communication Center is here to provide you with its capable assistance. The following sections are here for you: People, Chat, Calendar of Events, Notification, Profile. If there is a contact that is of interest to you, you have the direct opportunity to network digitally. You can, for example, call the participant for a face-to-face video chat via the platform. Find the right contact among tens of thousands of participants on the digital event platform based on your search criteria in the Lead Finder. The Discovery Graph visualizes connections between participants, which makes finding relevant contacts and companies simple and interactive. The Discovery Graph unravels an impressive network of contacts for you based on your interests. You can also download all the contacts you have gathered as a CSV file at any time.